Nothing good is going to come from this. Ooh, she's chunky. I think the viscous clutches have given up all they can give. So there's several variations of the NP246. This is the selectable 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive, neutral, 4-low, and all-wheel drive. Which makes this the rare transfer case. I found one out of a 3/4 ton, which is I think it's 32 spline input shaft. The 1500 trucks have a 27 spline input shaft, so they are different from half ton to 3/4 ton. 3/4 ton, I found one for 250 bucks. Pulled this one out, stuck that one in my truck, but it's a different selector and a different encoder motor, so it's making my truck usable while I tear this one down and probably find out it's not rebuildable. But maybe I'll get lucky. Why they have the little hats for the bolts. Hats for bolts. Keeps bolts happy. Hats for bats. Shampoo. Oh, let's pull the drain plugs. I tried to drain this, but it didn't drain very well. It smells glorious. It's going to make a huge mess. That just came right apart. My pride driver. It got empty again. Don't remember those being different than one another. Hey, wing! Ooh, gross. That's not great. Not great at all. See, it had a metal tang in there. It broke the metal tang off. Metal tang right there. That's gross. A little sloppy. I guess the viscous clutch is destroyed. That's not great. It's actually in better shape than I thought it was going to be. Good one. It's not as bad as I thought it was going to be.
No.
I mean, chunks didn't fall out of it.
Just never been maintained.
So there's a metal strap in here that the pump rides on, and the metal strap breaks, and then the pump vibrates and it cuts a hole in the case. Yeah. And then it pees all the fluid out.
JB Weld.
Like an 80-year-old just went drinking. And then, actually the case halves are available in some of the rebuild kits.
Oh.
But, so the difference is the rebuild kit with the case half is $500 and some odd dollars. If you don't have to do the rebuild kit, then it's like $200.
So I'm guessing this is a common enough issue that stuff is available pretty easily.
I would guess. I think there's a snap ring on the other side of that I have to take off.
Yay, phone!
Don't give me an open checkbook. I will spend it. That is one stubborn son of a gun. Very grippy. It is a 3-link. Some have a single dark link and some have 3 dark links. This one has 3 dark links. Now I know which kit I need to order. So that's a bonus. Oh. Yeah, that inlet pump was doing really good. That magnet is packed. Well, there's always a different way to do things. We're probably past our 17-minute mark, so I need to stop and start again because otherwise our audio will be desynced. Because we use cheap cameras here because we're cheap. Don't normally hit it with a hammer. Don't actually care. Hey, there's my seal. Be able to get that out of there now. That is one tough cookie. All that because of a seal, huh? Yeah, I don't think I screwed it up too much. It'll be alright. That was a little more forceful than I like to get with stuff. Maybe. This is gonna strip. Got lucky. that's not good. Uh-oh. What was that? I bet that was a piece of shift work. That's not good. Oh, that was a bad sound. That guy's destroyed. That's not great. I think the hunt is on for a usable transfer case. Still. So how many miles was this run without fluid? A lot. When this goes out, it should drop. Ouch. Like that. She's out of there. Yeah, chunks of... That's the noise I was hearing. Oh! The bearing has left the chat.
There's a bunch of bearings missing. There's part of one. I found my noise. Look at all the chunks. And all the bearings. Well, what's left of the bearings. Those guys are destroyed. That one's really bad. That one's really bad. So planetary's bad, sun gear's bad. You can see the heat discoloration on the clutch packs. Those are going to be destroyed. Pull that apart next just for fun. But there is no rebuilding this case. Too expensive.
It's got 3 ball bearings in it. Yeah, she cooked. There will be no fixing this one. Scrap bin. Well, let's get the numbers off it, see if we can find one. Can't fix them all.
Well, we'll leave this one right there. As Rich said, you can't win them all. Clutches are destroyed, metals are destroyed, bearings are destroyed, case has got a hole in it, everything's cooked and overheated. Basically as bad as it could get. Everything was kind of coming apart. And that happens when you don't do maintenance, or you do shoddy maintenance. You know, it is what it is. That's how it goes. Could you repair this? Could you replace this? Yeah, sure. You could replace all the guts in it and put a new case half in it. It's not worth it financially. Doesn't make any sense. So what we'll probably do is find ourselves another transfer case that hopefully is in better shape than this, that mates up correctly and is all the correct bits and pieces, so he could put it in his GMC Yukon that he very recently picked up as a family hauler. Because nothing is as exciting as getting stranded with your family in the used vehicle that you just purchased to take yourselves on vacation. So, this is just some of the normal stuff we do around here. This is, you know, not flashy, not fun, not hot roddy stuff, but it's the normal stuff that pays the bills and keeps the lights on. So, if you guys are interested in this kind of stuff, we don't put a lot of it on the channel because it's not real exciting to watch, but we appreciate you being here. Promise you we have some pretty fun stuff that's in the works in the very near future. Lots of fun stuff coming for you. So, Like, comment, subscribe, all that jazz. We will see you guys on the next one. I have no idea what that'll be, but it will be here soon. We do publish our videos Monday, Wednesday, and Friday every single week. So there'll be more Lucore automotive stuff coming at you here very, very, very soon. Thanks for being here, guys. Take care. Bye-bye.